This is a cell, a plant cell to be exact. And as we all know, all eukaryotic cells have specific organelles and structures that play a key role on each cell. This includes the vacuole, the Golgi body, and the cell wall. In fact, the cell wall is particularly interesting. If we were to zoom on the cell wall at a molecular level, you would see this: a crisscross mesh of long molecules that give the cell wall strength, rigidness, and flexibility. This is called cellulose, and cellulose is made up of millions of smaller subunit molecules called glucose, or beta-glucose to be more exact. In this case, cellulose is a polymer or a polysaccharide of many beta-glucose molecules. A polymer is simply a substance composed of repeating molecules called monomers. In this case, beta-glucose is the monomer of cellulose. Fun fact, maltose is a disaccharide isomer of beta-glucose called alpha-glucose. This is a sugar found in beer beverages. Anyways, cellulose is formed through hydrolysis reactions. This is when hydroxyl groups at carbon 1 and 4 condense to create water, leaving a glycosidic bond. Notice each glucose monomer is lined alternatively from the other. This is because of the beta bonds. However, this and the 5 hydroxyl groups on each glucose monomer allows large chains of these molecules to form hydrogen bonds with other polysaccharide chains. This creates a mesh-like structure called microfibrils, which gives cellulose a high tensile strength. This also makes the cell wall fully permeable to water, dissolved ions, and proteins. Plants can also benefit from this permeable yet tensile cell membrane if the cell is experiencing negative water potential. Water will want to enter the cell, increasing cytoplasm volume, and the cell membrane will swell. However, the cell wall stops the expansion at a certain point, and the cell wall will exert a positive pressure back on the cell membrane. This is what equalizes water potential. Humans can also benefit through this from dietary fiber. We can get dietary fiber from vegetables and fruit. However, this is good because we cannot digest cellulose, so it acts as a bulk or roughage that helps move everything down our intestines. Cotton is also good for us. See, cotton is 91% cellulose, and we can use this within anything. Cotton seeds are full of fiber, which can then be twisted and form yarn and clothing. Not to mention all these other things like paper, film, plastics, and even explosives.